Okay, so look what the boy Greg just got from Devi, man. These shits are dope as hell. Retrofitted 06 headlights for RSX, man. These are rare, bro. Like, this is like, oh, I love that projector look. Like, just look at the eye of it. Ooh, that's that bread right there. And he also did a tucked engine harness for him. And snapped, and the price he paid for is ridiculous, man. So definitely hit up Devi's shit. I'll leave a little thing in there for y'all to see real quick where it's at to follow him, hit him up. Damn, those shits look good, man.
Yeah, man. Good shit. Good shit.
So today's shirt is sponsored by Keep It 100. Make sure to go check Junior out over at Keep It 100 on Instagram. And I'm about to start doing sponsored shirts every vlog or every other vlog, at least once a week, a vlog of a company I respect. And today, it's Keep It 100. I went pretty damn hard with the wire wheel. I ended up running out of battery. Man, it just looks so good. Like, seriously, guys. It looks so damn good. I'm going to take a picture, but yeah, I'm going to spray it. I need to tape some of this stuff off, and unfortunately, I don't have tape. So I might have to improvise. But yeah, let me go see if I can go in the office and find some tape. But you just, it was so dirty, like, in there. Like, you can still kind of see it, but like, if I had the more battery, I'd probably take more time, but since it's not going to be that big of a deal, I'm going to let it be. But, man, a wire wheel will clean anything up, man. This was all rusted out, and this is what we use it. Ooh.
In the V12 with the racks in the middle. Had to pray to Almighty God, they let my dog out the kennel. When you get it straight up by the mud, you can't imagine this shit. I've been pulling up in the drop tops with the baddest bitches. Young nigga been focused on my check. Got a new coupe wrapped around my neck. Trying to put the water on my potato. I got killers to the left of me. Look, under no condition would you ever catch me slipping. Motorcaded shooters plus the Maybach chauffeur driven. If they catch me with it, don't send me off to prison. Judge ain't sympathizing, court don't show forgiveness. Engine in the Lambo drowning out the music. Sip Dior with the flowers, 5 gold Cubans. Champagne while I shop, hope I splurge foolish. Closing escrow twice this month, both commercial units. Damn, I wish my nigga Fast was here. How you died 30-something after banging all them years? Grammy nominated, in the sign of shedding tears. All this money, power, fame, and I can't make you reappear. But I'll wipe them though. We just embrace the only life we know.
What's going on, guys? So I just wanted to give you an update before I end the video. So I know last time, y'all remember my starter. If not, I'll show you guys next time on the next episode because I'm not there. But the starter was like, it looked destroyed. Like, this popped off, took this off, this popped off. Like, it just was popping apart. And I don't know why. I guess maybe because it was so old. So I just paid $30 to Omez, and he gave me a brand new, never used starter. Brand new. So I paid $30 for a brand new LS starter off his Integra. So just want to say thanks, Omez. And this makes me sleep better at night, you know, upgrading a couple parts that are used and beat up. And if you guys remember the last video, the flywheel was destroyed. So I went to AutoZone and got me an OEM Duralast. And it is pretty nice. I am not going to lie. So I don't know what all this little stuff is, but I'll clean that off before I put it on there. But yeah, brand new, guys. So just wanted you guys to see that and know that I got a new, we got a new starter. So we got a new starter and we got a new flywheel. So I will be taking the flywheel off soon on the Integra, and I'm going to put this on. We're going to put the new pressure plate, the new clutch, the throwout bearing, and the pilot bearing, and I'm going to throw this new starter in. Thankful for everybody that's been patient with me over this build for the last couple months, and yeah, so till next time, thanks for watching.